Good day everyone. Myself Priyanshu Ghosh from Tool Engineering and Digital Manufacturing. My best software of the month is 3D printer of the July 2024. These are the list of contents. First, introduction, history, 3D printable models, objectives, 3D stages of 3D printing, benefits, types of 3D printing machines, advantages, disadvantages, application, challenges, video, query session. Introduction. 3D printing is a form of additive manufacturing technology where a three-dimensional object is created by laying down successive layers of material. History. Printing physical 3D objects from digital data was first developed by Charles Hull in 1984. These are the few 3D printable models that have been printed by the 3D printer. Objectives. Delivering 3D printed objects that can be touched, feel and used. Creating three-dimensional objects using computer-aided design and additive manufacturing. Laying materials such as plastic to create objects of varying shapes, size, rigidity and color. Three stages of 3D printing are preparation, building, finishing. Benefits. The three benefits are reduces waste, fast turnaround time, can create complex shapes. Types of 3D printable models machines are fused deposition modeling (FDM), resin 3D printing including SLA, DLP and LCD, selective laser sintering (SLS), direct material laser sintering (DMLS), electron beam melting (EBM). Advantages. The advantages are faster production, better quality, easy to use, complex 3D shapes can be created. Disadvantages. Energy consumptions, high price, limited materials, complex equipments. Applications. Replacement parts, emergency structures, can be created customized products. It also helps to replace the implants in medical field. Challenges. First, lack of standardization. Second, impact on the environment. Third, high equipment and production costs, limited selection of materials, low printing speed. This is a video of 3D printing in which 3D printer is printing an object with the help of few fossils. Any questions? Thank you.